How to fix error code 3005 couldn't start the game anti-cheat problem. So if you want to fix the error code 3005 couldn't start the game problem, then what you need to do is the first method is to uninstall the easy anti-cheat. This file can sometimes get corrupted or locked, preventing the game from launching. By removing it from the system automatically creates a fresh file. When the game starts, it will fix your problem. So open your file explorer or press the Windows key and E keys together to navigate to your C drive or the location where Easy Anti-Cheat is installed, or search for the anti-cheat in the search bar. Once you find the file, it will probably be under your program files. You can go with program files 86, and here you will have Easy Anti-Cheat. Once you find the folder, you need to open it. Right click on Easy Anti-Cheat and select the delete. And after deleting, you need to restart your game to let the system create a new easy anti-cheat file. This step resolves in most cases where the file becomes inaccessible due to interference or corruption method. Now the second way to repair easy anti-cheat, if deleting doesn't work, is to repair the anti-cheat software itself. This ensures all the files required by the program are intact and functioning properly. So you need to open the game directory where your game is installed, locate the easy anti-cheat folder, then find and double click on it, and it will open up the anti-cheat setup. When the setup window opens, click on repair service to start the repair process. Once the repair is complete, close the setup and restart your game. This method is particularly helpful if the installation or anti-cheat is damaged or incomplete. It restores all the necessary files and settings to ensure the anti-cheat software runs smoothly. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.